The Crash Course in Creativity Team number 26037 presents The Good Side of Having Your Bread Falling Buttered Side Down. Have you ever been annoyed by your slice of bread falling on the floor with the buttered side facing down? Do you hate that it always happens that way? Well, it is time for us to stop complaining about it and start being glad it happens. One of the most important inventions of today came from the suspicion that there was more to the landing side of the bread than we thought. It was discovered that the chemical reactions and physical interactions involved in spreading butter in a slice of bread actually affect the gravitational center of the bread matter, thus causing the bread to land with the butter side necessarily facing down. Or, in other words, the buttered side is more susceptible to gravity, while the non-butter side is gravity repellent. This finding led to many experiments on how to isolate and control this twisted gravitational force. The final product of this research is now being put to the test. It is called the bee bread. This amazing material is made of bread spread with butter, but in a microscopic scale. It can determine in which side something will stand or fall, and by doing so, it can revolutionize the manufacturing industry in many levels. It is light, cheap, and although we can't see it nor eat it, we can definitely feel the bee bread technology in action. Want some examples? Bee bread is already being used to improve the precision of spacecraft landings. It is also used to develop better spacesuits that provide better balance to astronauts. But the possibilities are not limited to the outer space. The use of this material in the making of sports suits, for example, can render a much better performance in any activity that demands balance, whether it's acrobatics, basketball, or some kind of dance or martial art. It can also protect athletes from injuries, making sure they always land in a safe position in the case of an eventual fall. This could significantly reduce sports injuries and improve performance. The new bee bread technology can make our lives much easier. It can be used as a protection for breakable goods. We could have virtually unbreakable cell phones, MP3 players, and other gadgets simply by having it covered with this new material. It could also be used to move around heavy things by controlling the gravitational forces of whatever is being moved. And it could do wonders on transport. We could have safer and more efficient cars and buses. It's even possible that those flying cars from sci-fi movies finally hit the roads for real. Can you imagine having one of those? Or one of these? Well, it's all going to be there soon, thanks to the bee bread technology. Yep, there's much more to a slice of bread than you think. We hope you liked this presentation. See you next time.